Tired of your inbox looking like a digital junk drawer? Let's transform your email chaos into organized bliss by automating your Outlook inbox. This tutorial will show you how to create rules that automatically move your emails into specific folders, saving you precious time and boosting your productivity. First, let's navigate to the Home tab in your Outlook ribbon. From the Rules drop-down menu, select Create Rule. This opens a new window where we can define the criteria for our rule. For this example, let's create a rule to move all emails from a specific sender into a designated folder. In the From field, type the email address of the sender whose emails you want to manage. Now, we need to tell Outlook what to do with these emails. Click the Select Folder button. A list of your existing Outlook folders will appear. If you don't have a folder for this type of email yet, you can easily create a new one by clicking New. Select the desired folder, or the new one you just created, and click OK. Finally, click OK again to save your new rule. Outlook may ask if you want to run this rule on messages already in your inbox. Choose Yes to organize your existing emails, or No if you only want it to apply to new incoming mail. And just like that, all emails from that sender will now be automatically sorted into your chosen folder, keeping your inbox clutter-free and your workflow smooth. Start organizing your emails the smart way today.